This is my Kodak playfull waterproof camera. Here are the buttons. Here is the slot thingy for the SD card, and there's the HDMI, and somewhere over here is the reset button. Here's the USB, the microphone, the camera, the speaker, I think. I like it because you could switch to picture and video, and it has these special effects thingies. There's that one. I like using the black and white one. I'm gonna do another video about this later. Here is 26 seconds and 37 pictures you can take without the SD card. I'm gonna show you that the SD card in this thing later. What else? Oh, when I first bought it, it it tells you to set the date and time, and I already did that. And I guess that's it for now. I'll make another video later.